Miami Heat all time. Sige, tapatan natin yan. Miami Heat all time. Miami Heat all time. Alright, point guard, pinag-iisipan ko si Gary Payton or Tim Hardaway. Pero I'll choose Tim Hardaway sa point guard. Shooting guard, Dwayne Wade. Small forward, LeBron James. Power forward, Alonzo Mourning. And center, syempre Shaquille O'Neal. Let's go. Miami Heat all-time players against my all-time. First one from the team of Wizard. Sige, point guard, Agent Zero, Gilbert Arenas. Next one, all-time players again. From the team of Oklahoma. Small forward, Kevin Durant. Solid, yung pangalawa natin, Kevin Durant against LeBron. Next one, from Chicago Bulls. Feeling ko panalo na ako. Shooting guard, Michael Jordan. Power forward and center na lang. Next one, Bulls again,